Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your WhatsApp. Next thing you want to do is to select a chat. Then click on your keyboard. The next thing you need to do is to click on this square icon right here and take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on Translate. Use Google Translate. Next thing you need to do is to click on OK. Then right here, you will be taken to Google Translate right here. So detected language is English language. You can switch from one language to another. For that, you can click on detected language. So detected language right here can be whatever language you might think of. Let's, for instance, I want to see my detected language here is English. Then I want to translate into another language. I want to translate to Arabic right here. So what we want to do is to type in hello. And in a few seconds, it translates into Arabic language. You can say hello, hello, my friend, how are you doing? Just like so. And from there, we can, for us to send the message, we hit on send like right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about script and for more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.